Is there a chance we'll be able to retrofit the 7.8 dash in the future? You can, I'm pretty sure, because by the way, I got to say this. The wiring harness on the ST3s and now obviously in the GTIs and the RXPX is one of the smartest wiring harnesses I've seen on personal watercraft. And not a lot of people are going to talk about this. The wiring harness that Sea-Doo uses today is unique because it's completely modular. All right. In that, installing the sound system, installing the heated hand grips, installing the USB charging port in the glove box, there's actually a receptacle already built into the wiring harness, so that in installing one, you simply have to find the right receptacle and it plugs right in. So for Sea-Doo to change out the dashboard, it's really just a matter of plugging in the right plugs into the right sockets and screwing the right part in. This has allowed the manufacturing process and the service process of these new machines to be radically shorter. This is really a boon for technicians. That has really been something really smart that Sea-Doo has done. The Yamaha harness is not as modular as I've seen, but it's also not a super clunky mess either. You don't have to splice into anything. But the the Sea-Doo harnesses, there are actual small attachment looms that will connect so that you can have all the features you want. You could have heated hand grips and a USB charger and the sound system and the new dash and all this neat stuff. So that harness, that basic harness that they've got is really, really sharp. And there was a lot of very bright minds who were involved in that. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.